Welcome back to the California Gardener. We're here on the West Coast in British Columbia. And guess what? Today I'm showing you how I was able to propagate basil. Now it can take a long time from seed, but guess what? When our basil kind of gets looking not so healthy, we cut it back like this. Cut a lot of the branches off, take it way back, and the new growth will be new and lush like this. So in order, when you're trimming your plant off, you can keep that stuff alive longer just by putting the little tips in water like this, and then they'll last on your counter for several days. But another cool thing is some of them, now I'm not saying all of them, will develop some rooting. Don't drown the plant, leave just the tip in the water, and some of them will start to develop roots. I noticed one like this a few weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and so I waited for it to develop a little bit better roots. And then what I did was I took it and I potted it in some soil. Okay, this one looked smaller than that one about, what would I say, about 2.5 weeks ago. So I moved it from the water when it had just little tiny roots about a centimeter long. I put it in the soil, kept the soil nice and moist, and I popped it in the greenhouse, but I think it would have worked outside as well. Now look at this thing. It's growing like crazy. So I'm gonna pot it. So let's go check out the root growth. I know it's good because I looked at the bottom holes and I see roots. See those little roots there? The little white things in the holes. So I know this thing probably rooted well. So I'm gonna put it to a bigger pot, and it's probably gonna take off like crazy because this one came off that plant, and look at it. It's doing much better than that plant. So go over here. Let's pot this thing. Now I just got a 50-50 peat moss to mushroom compost mix. Mixed it up here in my wheelbarrow and added some bone meal, rock dust, and slow release, just like tomato fertilizer. You could use any kind. And let's see, let's check out the root growth in this thing. Loosen it off. Let's see how am I gonna do this. Pop it into my hand here. Oh, looks good. Oh yeah, really good. Check out that root growth from a cutting. This was just a cutting with a centimeter root. And I tried it with tomatoes before, it worked, but not that great. This seems to work way better. Basil from a cutting works awesome. I filled up my pot half with soil and I soaked it good. Then I popped this one in here. I'm gonna fill the rest up with soil, water it nicely, and that is going to turn into a very nice basil plant. So hey, there's how you can propagate your basil into more plants. If one's not looking so hot, trim it down, put the trimmings in small cups of water for a week or two, see if you get some development of roots on some of them, and then after your roots are about a centimeter long, pop it in the soil and give it some tender loving care with some. Keep the soil moist, and if it takes root, you'll have more plants just like that. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you like this video, hit that like button, give me a comment, and the feedback is always helpful for what you might want to see in the future. Thanks for watching as always. Good luck gardening. God bless you and your garden. See ya.